The United States backs Manila's freedom of navigation in the South China Sea after a Philippine ship left Escoda Shoal, leading Beijing to claim indisputable sovereignty. U.S. State Department spokesperson Matthew Miller says in a briefing that there is no legal basis for China's maritime claims in the South China Sea. He emphasizes that China's dangerous attempts in asserting its supposed sovereignty puts Filipino lives and livelihoods at risk.
So the Philippines has endured repeated attempts by the PRC to interfere with their freedom of navigation on the high seas near Escoda Shoal over the past several months. There's no legal basis for the PRC's maritime claims in the South China Sea, and the dangerous ways in which it attempts to enforce those claims put Filipino lives and livelihood at risk.
Miller reiterates the U.S.'s support of the Philippines and highlights Manila's freedom of navigation under international law.
So it is up to the Philippines to decide how they operate their vessels in areas where it enjoys the freedom of navigation in the high seas under international law. And I wouldn't want to forecast what this particular incident might mean, other than to say that we continue to support our Philippine allies.
China's Coast Guard said on Sunday, September 15, that it had what it called indisputable sovereignty over Escoda Shoal after the Philippines withdrew its flagship BRP Teresa Magbanwa. On Monday, September 16, the Philippine Coast Guard said that it had not given up on Escoda Shoal, underscoring Manila's sovereign rights over the area. The shoal has emerged as a new flashpoint in the West Philippine Sea following the confrontations between Manila and Beijing in recent weeks. Escoda Shoal is a low-tide elevation that lies well within the Philippines' exclusive economic zone, some 139 kilometers from Palawan and over 1,000 kilometers from China.